it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Today we're here with Labas himself, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 with 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Y'all know what I think about Labas already, so let's just jump into the video. Let's not bother waste no time. Let's go.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
Yeah,
Never stop grinding.
I mean, I see you 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Yo, hard done for, lungs puncture. My kidney I suffer from rum shot. The Hennessy too strong, but me done first. Yeah. Every time I try escape, trouble follow me go one next place. Dog, me just a try clear me head space. I'ma no feel say nowhere around friends safe.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go again!
This youth is a fucking therapist. Labas is a therapist. You can go through your darkest time and draw for some Labas, and you feel much better after listening to two of them or three of them, or even one of them. You can go through your toughest time, rock bottom, and draw for a couple Labas, and you can relate, cause there's other people out there going through the same problem as you, or even worse than you. Labas is a genius, dog. Big up Labas. Big up Labas.
Yeah.
Salute.
I mean, I see you 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
Big up Labas, dog. No joke.
Yo, hard done for, lungs puncture. My kidney I suffer from rum shot. The Hennessy too strong, but me done first. Yeah. Every time I try escape, trouble follow me go one next place. Dog, me just a try clear me head space. I'ma no feel say nowhere around friends safe.
Every time him a try escape, dog, trouble just a follow him, brother, like everywhere. And it's like him not have nowhere to run to, dog, and him say him not feel like nowhere. Run no friend, no safe, like not like yo, Labas.
Every time I try escape, trouble follow me go one next place. Dog, me just a try clear me head space. I'ma no feel say nowhere around friends safe. Yeah, hard done for, lungs puncture. Me end up buck up in a where me a run from. Just
The man say him end up buck up in a way him a run from. So the same thing when him run just a run from, him a go run yourself and buck up back in it. Cause it a follow him everywhere him go, dog. Lungs puncher, dog.
done for, lungs puncture. Me end up buck up in a where me a run from. Just have to live with the pain, me no have options.
This is not a game. This is not a video game where you can choose the option of easy, normal or hard. No, him a tell you say, yo, him not have no option, brother. Him just have to just go and live, dog. Him not have no option, bro.
I run from, just have to live with the pain, me no have options. You're lethal. Enough me try, me get a stabbing on my back and it kinda fuck up my spine. Wish me coulda use me Apple Watch at just the time. And
How does Labas find these, bro? How he constantly do it? How him constantly do this shit, dog? How? Listen what I'm saying.
you're lethal. Enough me try, me get a stabbing on my back and it kinda fuck up my spine.
Enough time him try and get a stabbing in him back and him fuck up him spine. You see me? Cripple. Can't walk, can't move.
Lethal. Enough me try, me get a stabbing on my back and it kinda fuck up my spine. Wish me coulda use me Apple Watch at just the time. And
Him wish he could have turned back the hands of time. I know Rolex he might use. I know G-Shock he might use. Apple Watch. Him wish he could have used the Apple Watch and reset the time,
on
dog.
my back and it kinda fuck up my spine. Wish me coulda use me Apple Watch at just the time. And go back to the days when time I broke and have a dime me alone.
So him tell us say, yo, him wish him could have go back to the days when time him broke and have a dime, like the days when he was Labas, but he was 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, but he wasn't Labas. Like before the hype and the money and the fame. Him wish him could have go back to that state, because basically right now, so him tell us say, yo, famous life not easy, dog. Like being famous, not easy, bro. Like the life where I live right now.
I coulda use me Apple Watch adjust the time and go back to the days when time I broke and have a dime. Me a look out at me eye. Fuck love fight for blind. Still time. Days when time I broke and have a dime. Me a look out at me eye. Fuck love fight for blind. Still time enter darkness. Me see when sun a shine. Still one.
Man, see, still darkness. Him see when sun a shine, brother. Darkness, dog. Fuck love, I eat for blind, bro. Remember them said love is blind, you know. So I tell say so.
Adjust the time and go back to the days when time I broke and have a dime. Me a look out at me eye. Fuck love, I eat for blind.
Yeah.
Still time enter darkness. Me see when sun a shine. Still want help, but still not ask for no blind. Who wanted up be a new rifle for my body?
Still want help, but nah ask for no help. Him nah ask for no blind, brother. Him nah ask for no help, dog. You see me? I want that a beer right from me have you saw. What happened?
While but still not ask for no blind. Who wanted up be a new rifle for my body? Choose the path where we walk and I know that. I know the pain, I feel the rod from my own hand. With this car still have a war as a soldier. All kind of cobra. Laying like grass and it's hard to go around that. For blind, still time enter darkness. Me see when sun a shine. Still want help, but still not ask for no blind. Who wanted up be a new rifle for my body? Choose the path where we walk and I know that. I know the pain, I feel the rod from my own hand. With this car still have a war as a soldier. All kind of cobra. Laying like grass and it's hard to go around that.
Him feel it, the wrath of him own hands, brother. Him feel it, brother. So basically, right now, so made a bit of late night at the vibe that him get yesterday. Him then move on and tell us, yo, the amount of snake in the grass, brother, the amount of cobra in the grass. It's hard for him go around it. You know what I mean?
As a soldier, all kind of cobra. Laying like grass and it's hard to go around that. Start getting enough, but me lose more. Paranoid, me and not the same, I'm too cold.
Start getting enough, but him lose more. So I'm tell us him lose more than what him gain. Yes, him gain money, gain fame, gain the lifestyle, you see me? But him lose more same way. Him lose his mind, dog. Lose more, brother. Lose trust in a people, lose love in a people, lose everything, dog. But him gain the monetary gain, him gain that and everything else, the house and the cars and whatever, him have that, but him just lose in a human, bro.
Start getting enough, but me lose more. Paranoid, me and not the same, I'm too cold. Want make a U-turn, but not too sure. If trouble still a wait, palm up on the new every time.
They want make a U-turn, but him not sure, he not too sure if trouble a wait for him. That's just the same way. So even if him gonna make the U-turn, him not sure if trouble a go wait. That's it, bro.
Me try escape. Trouble fall, I'ma go one next place. Dog, me just a try clear me head space. I'ma no feel say nowhere around friends safe. Yeah. Done for long sponge. Me ain't up buck up in a where me a run from. Just have to live with the pain, me nah have options. Yeah. Me lose friends, me nah lose myself. I mean I want a new friend, me just recruit myself.
Me lose friends, me not lose myself. I mean I want a new friend, me just recruit myself. Me lose friends, me not yo.
Me lose friends, me not lose myself. I mean I want a new friend, me just recruit myself. Rather stay by myself, don't know who the friend. Who want kill me or who me help.
Yo, imagine being a brethren of Chronic Law. We party him every day and they run him every day and things like that. And you ever sing them song, your dog. Like, even if your heart clean and you know your heart clean around him same way and you want the best for the G, you gonna feel paranoid same way. You feel paranoid.
Yo, what's how it set? You see some blood clot things when money make. Me get a dream, so me not start do no running yet. I try escape trouble, but everywhere me go, every time me try escape. Trouble fall, I'ma go one next place. Dog, me just a try clear me head space. I'ma no feel say nowhere around friends safe. Yeah, I done for long sponge. Me ain't up buck up in a where me a run from. Just have to live with the pain, me nah have options.
Therapy. Emotional dancehall, this is. Different genre the man create, dog.
Done for
my lead.
Long sponge. Me ain't up buck up in a where me a run from. Just have to live with the pain, me nah have options.
Oh, darkness. Man say all when a sun at as the darkness you see dog. Big up Labas, dog. Labas, bro. It's not much more I can say about you, bro. You are the guy. You are that person, dog. Like you are that G, dog. Like big up yourself, my fam. Big up yourself, bro. Like different, out of this world, like literally out of this world. Alien brain. Big up yourself. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.